Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Jess Althea's channel. It's another DIY video, lock style. I'll be using this icy kinky curly hair along with this Burmese hair that I got from Amazon to do a boho lock. Stay tuned for the video. All right, so here you have me separating the boho braids. This is the Burmese hair from Amazon, and just stay tuned for the review. It's a 16-inch in length, and like I said, I got it off Amazon. It is synthetic, and I just wanted to try this. Initially, I got the icy hair, and then I went back and got additional hair from Amazon because the kinky curly was insufficient, so I had to get additional hair. However, like I said, you'll hear the recommendations for both hair in the future. This is nice and soft, and this is a 14-inch kinky curly hair. You would have seen the results in the thumbnail. So let's get into the video. This is actually my first time doing this on my locks, and so like I said, it's DIY. So initially you'll be experimenting with how I will be placing the feather crochet boho pieces on my locks. So interchangeably, I'll be using feather braids or miracle braids. It is advertised as miracle braids. They come with a thin bit of thread in between two pieces of braiding here. In this instance, I'm using kinky curly, and this was the first bit I installed. And again, this is DIY and I'm experimenting. So as I go along, I'm trying to figure out what I would like this to look like on my hair. Again, here's the piece of string in between the two braiding hairs, which the industry now calls miracle braids. So I was using the Amazon pieces on the top aspect of the lock because of the length, so it would fall adequately down to the length of the locks where I added the kinky curly from icy here. I beg you, watch and see as I experiment, and I'll come back at the end of the video where I'll be live explaining the outcome, what I did, the strategies I used, and so on. If you're tuning in to this channel for the first time, my name is Jess Althea, 50-plus-year-old female. I do makeup, I do styles on my locks, maintain my locks, as well as other lifestyle videos with vlogs off duty, nurse Jess Althea. So just stay tuned for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. We have fun over here. Yes, guys, let's enjoy this video. All right, so pardon me guys, I have been incessantly on the phone, but as you can see, I am adding these miracle braids to my locks. I got a set, as you can see in the intro, from Icy Hair. I would have done a voiceover for that. I was so thirsty to do them. So my hair is not crisp, but I had twisted it earlier this week in 2-strand twist. I watched this video, I will link the young lady, and I saw where I was hoping to interloop it between, but just to put it on the lock stick itself so it's easier to remove. Now the hair from Icy Hair, let's tell you what it's called. I don't know what it's called because they have all kind of advertisement in here. It took forever to come. It came in this beautiful box. Here is the card, and I will put the name on screen, and it came with this edge brush as well. Now this is a more curlier, more defined wave. I don't think this is Burmese, because this right here that I got from the other company, which I showed you, is the handmade boho babe crochet here, and it is, pardon me, chaotic, my first name. I'm not sure what texture this is. Again, I'll put it on screen. I got this one off Amazon, and this is a looser texture, so as I had shown you before, but I'm going to now, having placed the curly ones on the ends, I'm now gonna go in like you saw me do before and use the thin area, and I'm going to just add it higher up just to give it some volume. I think I'll just put one higher, and just to get the full effect. So I did that pretty fast, so I'm just gonna fill the sparse areas in. It's very thin. This is it. I loop it pretty much. I don't need to use a hook. I loop. I get one of the hairs. I kind of measure it down to see where it fits the other one, and I put it in, loop it through, and just pull it tight. And it pretty much measures there. I can probably, because it's in the front, I'm gonna go in again, make a loop, and I'm gonna just put it further up on the lock, pull it through, and pull, and yeah. So I'm gonna do that all throughout. I may show you a few more at the front, and I'll be right back. All right, so I don't really love this here, so I'm gonna save these, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some more from Icy here. But for the Easter weekend, I'm gonna have to settle for these. They're a bit, the color is different to begin with. Loop, push it through. Oh. You know, when you come on camera, the one you're gonna do is the one that's gonna make a mess. All right, so here's my loop. I'm using this here. The loop is here. Open it out. Pull through. Make sure they're close together because this here is really silky. not as kinky and pull tight. I'm not making too many loops. Some of them are popping open, so hope you can see that. And ignore my roots. I'm gonna smooth them down. They're not crisp. And then here's another one I'm gonna put on this one. Put it further up for volume. So here's the loop, loopy loop. Make on the loop, pull the hair through the loop and pull tight. So it gives us more volume at the front, and I like that. So like I said, I'm going to get more of the icy here. I prefer that. This is what it looks like. I'm in blue. I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow. Just wanted to have an idea, put on some makeup and stuff. Let me just do my edges. The new comb from Icy here, and I do also have a video where I did go ahead and color my locks again. I did, let me do henna on my locks. Let me set the hairs a little bit. So I did henna color, so it's a little bit dry, so I do need to moisturize and figure some stuff out. As of now, I can put it up. We're in a pony. Ooh. This is cute. I can wear it in a bun. The possibilities are endless, but we'll finish this up tomorrow. I'll come on, I'll do hair, makeup, and show you the finished look. So thanks again. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel, guys. Like and comment below what you're thinking so far. Finish up tomorrow where I'll end this video. See you then. All right, hair reveal time. So I decided to just wear it up today. But let me show you what it came out looking like, y'all. This is the finished product. I don't know why I'm always in black when I'm showing this, because y'all, I'm not gonna wet it or anything, but and you can see the locks under there. The locks are a little bit dull, don't mind that, but I'm gonna wear it upwards. So this is the end of the lock video, guys. Until next time, please do like, share, and subscribe to Just Althea's channel. Stay tuned for more lock videos like this, and until next time.